Hello students, welcome to JB Study Channel. Today in the natural world we are going to learn about amazing birds. What are birds? Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates constituting the class Aves, characterized by feathers, toothless big jaws, the laying of hard-shelled egg, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong 8 lightweight skeleton. Birds provide insect and rodent control, plant pollination, and seed dispersal, which result tangible benefits to people. There are 10,400 species that fall under the class Aves. Here are some amazing birds. It is a grey bird which lays its eggs in another's nest. Answer is cuckoo bird. It was earlier used to carry messages for humans. Answer is pigeon. It is a symbol of long life in Japan. Answer is Japanese crane. It has a pouch-like beak that can expand to scoop up water and fish. Answer is quetzal. This bird is the largest living species of bird in the world. Answer is ostrich. It is a well-known large pink bird that eats only when its head is upside down. Answer is flamingo. It is a large bird with shiny black feathers. It is an extremely intelligent bird. Answer is crow. This bird is often used as a symbol of peace. Answer is dove. This bird can speak the human language, so it is called a talking bird. Answer is parrot. This bird feeds on the remains of dead animals called carrion. It cleans the environment. Answer is vulture. This bird occurs worldwide in warm regions. It eats insects, rodents and reptiles. Answer is kite. This bird is known as bird of prey due to their gracefulness, balanced aggression and fantastic eyesight. Answer is eagle. It can fly forward, backward and even upside down. Answer is hummingbird. They have large heads, long sharp bills, short legs and stubby tails. Answer is kingfisher. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for more videos.